Hey guys, so far we have talked about radioactive decay, and we know that it is a process through which a unstable radioactive isotope tends to break down into a stable isotope of the same element or another element that is similar to it. Now, if you know that the rate of decay for a radioactive element in a rock, you can actually figure out the absolute age of the rock. And determining the absolute age of a sample based on the ratio of the parent material to the daughter material is known as radiometric dating. So the parent material is the unstable isotope, and the daughter material is a stable isotope that is formed after radioactive decay. So the ratio of this is what helps us determine the absolute age of a given sample. And this whole process is known as radiometric dating. Now, for example, let's say that a rock sample contains an isotope with a half-life of 10,000 years. Now, a half-life is actually the time that it takes one half of a radioactive sample to decay. That's the half-life. So if you had to define it, you would say the time a half-life is the time needed for one half of a sample of a radioactive substance to undergo radioactive decay. Now, so for this rock sample, in 10,000 years, half the parent material will have decayed and become daughter material. Now, you analyze the sample and find equal amount of parent material and daughter material at half-life. This means that half the original radioactive isotope has actually already decayed, and the sample must be about 10,000 years old. What if 1/4 of your sample is parent material and 3/4 is daughter material instead? So now you definitely know that it has passed its half-life, right? You know that if the half-life is 10,000 years for the half of the original sample to decay, and another 10,000 years for the another half to decay, the age of your sample would actually be 2 times 10,000 years, or 20,000 years in total. Now you can use this math to calculate how old your daughter material is. And that's how we use radiometric dating to kind of figure out the absolute age of an object in years. And I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and complete your guided practice and independent practice. There is a very helpful diagram at the bottom of today's reading that is very helpful. So be sure to complete your reading, and I will see you later. Bye.